Yahoo! Prof here. And I still haven't finished cleaning up all my hollows, so we're on the little cart again today with the clamped GoPro. And what we have here for you is some boosters that I've collected over the past week or so. We've got a Darkness Ablaze, 2 Vivid Voltage, and 4 battle styles. Pick these up between Walmart and Best Buy, because Best Buy is now limiting packs to 2 per order, and limiting orders per day and stuff like that. Which, hey, if it gets more people cards, good. I'm not saying that's bad. Some of you might be like, "Oh, I can't buy 18 packs now." Go to the hobby shop if you want battle styles. You can buy a whole. My hobby shop, they're willing to sell you a whole freaking booster box. If you want, at least. Had I known that, I probably would have done that. But I didn't know that. So we're going to go with least to most. Normally I would do it the other way, but Battle Styles is also the newest set. This is one I got on our Walmart is limiting it to 1 pack a day. I will say I can go back 2 times a week and actually get stuff. Had I could have probably gone more often and gotten more. I just tended to stop there when I'm in the area or something. It's a freshie there. Okay. Got a greenback. If you guys do want the codes, head over to my Twitter at the Prophecyst and hit me up there. Let me know what video you watched, and if you want Darkness Blaze, Vivid Voltage, whatever, and I'll send one on over for you. Do be aware you have to follow me though, or else I can't DM you generally. All right, I did the 1, 2, 3, 4. What are you guys thinking? I'm gonna go with Psychic. Ooh, dark. That's kind of close. Sorry if the lighting's a bit weird, but this is a very temporary setup here. I do like the, I don't like that I can't put my knees under the cart, but I do like how it's mounted with the clamp, so I can't wait to get a clamp for the normal setup. So here is Pupitar, evolves from Larvitar. Larvitar is my man. So, and we have a Corvus Squire, a Hiding Energy, Panseer, Mareep, Snubbull, Taurus, which is a badass. It's a badass action Taurus. Or Tauros, sorry. Rookity. You have a reverse hollow Draco Zolt. Followed by a rare non-hollow Serena, I think that would be. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. Alright, next up, Vivid Voltage. First pack with Selby here on the front. These 2 are from Best Buy, just picked them up today. They will let you order 2 of, so they had both Vivid Voltage and Battle Styles in stock. So, that is how I got 2 Battle Styles and 2 Vivid Voltage today. And then the other 2 battle styles are actually from last week from Best Buy. Or it might have been the other way around. Either way. Alright, so we have another greenback here from our first Vivid Voltage. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go electric just because Vivid Voltage. Bam. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Of sorts. Cramorant, Kakuna, Sir Chester Bath, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony, Mudbray, Reverse Hell Joltik. I have plenty of those, if I do say so myself, and a Barrascuda. By the way, I managed to cut myself. I don't know if you guys can see this. Right here. That really hurts when opening cards. Didn't notice it till on the weekend. I was bending my finger like that for some reason, and when at full extension, you could feel it just pulling. Probably because it was healing or something. And man, oh man, I was very surprised to see that I cut down. And that's not from a knife, because I'm right-handed, right? So I cut with my right hand. So that means that was from a piece like paper cut or cardboard cut or plastic cut. Yeah, and there's like definitely a flap of skin there. That's always great, right? Alright. Vivid voltage at number dose. Fat Pikachu on these are called sleeved boosters. The hang tag style called sleeve boosters. And just because you on the outside it's a fat Pikachu, see, does not mean you get a fat Pikachu. Come on, you other bibber. Alright, we're just getting a knife of some kind here and going at her. Make sure all the cards are done. Bam. Done. Kill. So I have a sharp knife on hand. Sure. Greenback as well. Not my lucky day. And Vivid Voltage is one of my favorite packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go grass. Water. Alright, so we have Electric, Delmise, Galarian Stunfisk, Wooper, Deadney, Pikipek, Chewtle, Clefairy. I do like that Clefairy art. Reverse Hollow Careless. I don't think I have this one. And Quagsire. I don't know if I have Quagsire either, actually. Nothing too rare, however. Alright, now we got 4 battle styles here. We got 1, 2, 3 Tyrantars. So we're gonna do this. This is punchy kicky guy. Can't remember his name. It's the punchy one though. And then we have Empoleon on the inside here. Oh yeah, and I have seen that some targets are like limiting it to you have to come like on Friday before a certain time, and then you only get one thing over $20. Mine has not done that yet, though I don't know if they've even gotten stock recently. So Greenback, sadly again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna go Dark Energy. Ooh, I was close. I consider that close to Dark. Steel Energy, Purugly. I remember I have not pulled many battle styles, like a couple packs at most. Honchkrow. Weeping Bell. That's good. That's good, Weeping Bell. Zubat. Cubone. I like the Cubone. He's just hugging his bone there. Frillish. Blipbug. Roly-Coly. That's actually pretty good art there. Heatmore. Reverse Hollow. Kind of cool. And then Vivillon, which I said looks like Powerpuff Girls last time, I think. Still does. Let's hope we can pull something other than Reverse Hollows tonight. Jeez. Alright, we're going with Battle Styles pack number 2, Tyranitar pack number 1. Can we actually get... Nope. Urshifu is this guy's name. That's the Kiki Urshifu, I'm pretty sure. There's Kiki and Punchy. I want a freaking Tyranitar is what I want. Another greenback. Jeez, Best Buy, giving me all these weak packs here. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go Psychic. Bam. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Single strike scroll of Scorn. Bruxish? Not even sure. Bouffalant. Glameow. Galarian Slowpoke. Yamper. Murkrow. Salandit. Reverse Hollow Bronzong. And a Pavilion again. I have a lot of those now. We've exceeded 3, I'm pretty sure. And I have not opened that many Battle Styles packs. Alright, now we only have two packs left. Tyranitar number 2, which is still Urshifu. Take a little pull of this here. Yeah, that's a fresh pack. It hasn't had time to mature, you know? Some of those get real sour. Another greenback here. Grass. Nope, fighting. I always kind of forget about fighting. You know what? Okay, we got Cacturn. Rapid Strike Mustard. Cheryl. Formantis. Spearow. Zubat. Cubone. Blipbug. Reverse Hollow Licky Licky. I've not seen a Licky Licky yet. Kind of interesting. You're kind of trying to deck them. Claydol as the rare non-hollow. Or Claydol. We have been striking out tonight completely. Alright, last pack of this video. The last pack of the night for me. 4th Battle Styles pack. I think this is pack number 7 for this video. Another Urshifu, probably. Yep, where's my freaking Tyranitar, man? They're all Urshifu. Oh, I got an Empoleon as well. Another greenback. Wow, the fact I struck down on all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go grass. Fire. Alright. Urn of Vitality. Girder. Seadra. Galarian Slowpoke. Corphish. Salandit. Roly-Coly. Esper. That's one I haven't seen yet tonight. Reverse Hollow. Okay, that makes it better. I'll take a Cubone. I'm a fan of Mr. Cubone here. And a Geoslash. Rare non-hollow. But man, I struck out on literally every pack. Normally you guys will see me pull at least something between like a 4 to 5 pack box. There'll at least be one of them that's more than, like, even more than a hollow, like a V or something, you know? Not tonight. Alright, well, let's go over what hollows we pulled so you can get a chuckle. Alright, we got Draco Zolt. Reverse hollow. They're all reverse hollows. Holy jeez, 90 more damage and Giga Impact? Draco's ult is interesting. Joltik, Reverse Hollow. Carolus. Reverse Hollow. Heatmore, Reverse Hollow. Bronzon, Reverse Hollow. And Licky, Reverse Hollow. And then last, but definitely not least, probably I think this is what I'm happy to have in my collection. Cubone, Reverse Hollow. He's hugging his little bone there. Alright, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this with me. It's a sad night when can't pull anything more than a Reverse Hollow, but sometimes that happens. RIP. And, well, stay tuned, because we do have this. That is a retail booster box of Battle Styles that Mooski and I will be cracking open at some point. Also, just got confirmation that I got a Elite Trainer box of Darkness Ablaze on Amazon, shipped and sold by Amazon, ordered tonight. So hopefully that it comes legit. Usually it does if it's shipped and sold by Amazon, but you never know. Well, we'll see you in the next one. Like if you like it. Definitely subscribe. Really appreciate it if you guys check out some of the future videos or go back and check out some of our previous ones. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.